Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Delta Roblox key on iOS. First, ensure you have the Delta application properly installed on your device. Once installed, open the Delta app and navigate to the designated key generation area. This key is essential as it unlocks the full range of features and capabilities within the application, allowing you to fully utilize its potential. It's a straightforward process designed to ensure secure access. To generate your key, carefully follow the on-screen prompts within the Delta application. You will usually be redirected to an external verification page, which is a standard part of the process. On this page, you'll be asked to complete one or two simple tasks or offers. These might include downloading a free app and running it for 30 seconds or answering a quick survey. This step helps confirm you are a genuine user. Once you have successfully completed the required tasks on the verification page, return to your Delta application. The system will then automatically verify your completion and present you with your unique Delta key. It's crucial to carefully copy this key. Ensure there are no extra spaces or missing characters. Paste the key precisely into the designated input field within the Delta app to unlock its full features and begin using it. For your security, always obtain your Delta key exclusively through the official Delta application. Be extremely cautious of any unofficial websites or third-party services that claim to offer free or instant keys, as these are often scams. Sharing your generated key with anyone else is strongly discouraged, as it could compromise your account's security. Following these best practices ensures a safe and smooth experience with Delta on your iOS device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.